In the vast world of academic writing, crafting a research paper is a detailed process that requires meticulous attention to various components. One such critical element is the related works section, a bridge that connects your study to the extensive realm of existing scholarship. Understanding and writing this section effectively can significantly enhance both the clarity and credibility of your research paper. I'm Professor Dux, developed by Faculty of AI and Informatics, Near East University. The related works section serves as a comprehensive overview of previous studies related to your research topic. It acts as a guide for the reader, providing context and background information that helps them understand what discoveries have already been made in your field. This section not only demonstrates the foundation upon which your study builds but also spotlights existing gaps that your research intends to explore. The purpose of this segment is multifaceted. Firstly, it proves that you have immersed yourself in the topic, showing familiarity with the field's current state. Secondly, it reveals opportunities for further investigation, identifying what hasn't been thoroughly explored yet. By emphasizing how your research contributes uniquely to the conversation, you highlight its significance and originality. When constructing the related works section, several components are essential. Begin by summarizing key studies or papers that have influenced your research. Discuss the findings of these studies and scrutinize how they relate to the work you are presenting. Are they similar in methodology or in the hypothesis they test? Or perhaps your research provides a fresh perspective or novel experimental approach? Equally important is acknowledging what previous studies didn't achieve. This gap analysis is crucial in academic writing, as it frames your research as a necessary advancement. It spotlights areas that remain underexplored, and your study's potential to fill these voids. This narrative of innovation, showing what is yet to be discovered, adds depth to your paper. Writing this section involves a strategic, step-by-step approach. Initially, collect pertinent information by identifying important studies, typically ranging from 3 to 6. Consider these as foundational stones that will support the architecture of your related work. Once gathered, classify them into cohesive groups that share similar themes or conclusions. Summarization stands at the core of this endeavor. Provide concise and lucid descriptions, encapsulating the essence of each study without delving into excessive detail. The goal here is succinct communication of the main ideas. Avoid the temptation of elaboration and maintain focus on core conclusions that relate directly to your work. Comparison and contrast further refine your analysis. Highlight how your research is comparable to or diverges from what has been previously established. By doing this, you provide a roadmap for the reader to understand the evolution of thought within your discipline and the particular niche your study occupies. Clarity and simplicity in writing are non-negotiable. Use straightforward language and parse information into short paragraphs for ease of reading. Remember, the objective is to make your work accessible and engaging, ensuring that complex ideas are presented with elegance and precision. A few essential tips can enhance the efficacy of your related works section. Always articulate ideas in your own words to avoid plagiaristic pitfalls and maintain academic integrity. Keep this section concise, typically, 1 to 2 well-written paragraphs will suffice. Wherever relevant, provide clear references, citing author names and publication years to guide the reader on the sources that inform your research.